I'm Hannes Snyman from Thala Healthcare, and my two pharmacies is Castle Walk Pharmacy and Castle Ridge Pharmacy. And you must please go and shop on Takealot or on castlewalkpharmacy.com, where you will find all my products under the mega range. So please go and buy all your products there, or come and visit my pharmacies. I'm still a full-time pharmacist at my Castle Ridge Pharmacy. I'm there most of the days. So if you're in Pretoria, please come and drop by and come and visit. Today I want to tell you about BioT, which is my probiotic. It's a complete probiotic and a multivitamin combined, which gives you the best value for money of any probiotic and multivitamin which you can buy. The combination of the two makes it a unique combination of 9 strains of probiotics combined with a multivitamin, and then there's one plant sterol which we call beta-cytosterol that's also added into BioT. This product we sell a lot of because it goes out in my pharmacies with all the antibiotics which we dispense in a pharmacy. And the probiotic is crucial to replace all the good bacteria, to put them back into your colon after you've used an antibiotic. And we know that antibiotics will kill the bad bacteria, but it also kills the good bacteria. So the most important thing is to use the probiotic after you've used your antibiotic. So use it while you're on the antibiotic. Use it for the 5 days, 3 days, 5 days, 10 days. But crucial, buy a full bottle so that you can especially replenish all the good bacteria after you've finished your antibiotic. So that's why don't take just a little bit of 10 capsules. Most pharmacies dispense only a little bit. It's actually a waste of your money. Rather buy a full bottle. The BioT combined with all the vitamins as well. So you get all the supplementation from all the vitamins that will boost your immune system and improve your overall health. And then the 9 strains of probiotics, crucial so that you can replace all the good bacteria in your colon. And we know that your good health depends on the amount of good bacteria that lives in your body. I like to recommend that we eat more probiotics. So I tell my customers, go and make your own probiotic mixes. And you can do it easily by making your own lacto-fermented vegetables. There's wonderful recipes. And if you go on YouTube, you will see so many people teaching how to make sauerkraut and how to make the fermented vegetables. And if we eat more of these, you probably won't need probiotics. But for those cases, if you need an antibiotic, make sure you get BioT probiotic and multivitamin with your antibiotic, or go and shop on Takealot, or go on to my castlewalkpharmacy.com, or ask your pharmacist to give you BioT as a supplement at a very affordable price compared to what you will pay for probiotics. And I'm not even talking if you must combine a probiotic with a multivitamin, you're going to pay probably more than double for a product like this. So go and shop and take it and let me know how my BioT probiotic and multivitamin will help for your colon.